Good day. You're welcome to your inventory dashboard by Accurabiz here. Okay, so this particular dashboard is just for sales tracking. It is not less efficient than the other. What just differs is what kind of business you run. So, for example, you're a food business owner, you're a large tech, yes, you are a new tech, you probably just you sell, so you really do not have, or you offer a service, so you really do not have a stock to track. A stock means like you don't have goods to track. Or let's say, for example, you're a perfume vendor that you just collect and you sell. Do you understand? You really don't buy in bulk. So this is what really works for you as that kind of a business owner. So yeah, again, it doesn't make it less sufficient or less efficient. Yeah, that is the word. So yeah, in our inventory dashboard, I think the first sheet you'll be looking at is your user guide, where you'll be getting a link to this tutorial video and also a written format as to how to make use of this inventory dashboard. Oh, so this inventory dashboard, the first sheet, this is basically your base, as I had said, even in the format spreadsheets. So whatever you input here determines every other output in your business. So then let me call this your price list. So you're a large tech, you are a makeup artist, nail tech, or you offer services, you sell food, do you understand, or you sell snacks. Your price list, that's what this particular sheet contains. So this is particular one is for a food business owner. So you sell great turkey. How many pieces is your great turkey? 5 pieces. Wow. Okay, what kind of category is it? Is it protein tray, grain tray, soup bowl? You all know your varieties. But let's say you're a nail tech. You do acrylic, you do gel, you do biop, you do different set of things. So that can be your category. I hope that you understand for this particular one. So for this sheet, when you be getting it, this is a dummy sheet. You can see it is a copy. So the one you be getting just has 3 products, so that it is easy for you to edit and input your own real data. Your selling price is, oh, how much are you selling this particular product? Do you understand? How much are you for this particular business? Great turkey costs 25,000 naira for 5 pieces. But let's say you're a new tech, and how much do you charge? Let's say you charge 30K for long acrylic nails. Do you understand? So that's how it works. Just how much, do you understand? Then now I suppose you understand, because I'm making it as simple as possible. The next thing you want to look at here is sales channel. Where are you making sales as a business owner? You sell on WhatsApp, working clients, Snapchat, you probably even have a website. Or you sell on TikTok, referral, and you just love to document these things, because there is a space in this spreadsheet that allows you see where you are making sales the most as a business owner. So now stock out, yes, going straight to stock out, basically is your sales transaction long. Yes, so this is what you have business with every day as a business owner, because in as much as you keep selling, you need to keep updating. So now this is the date column. Let's say, for example, yeah, I forgot to mention, what this is your base. Again, whatever product you have not input here, you cannot sell it, or you cannot input it as a product that have been sold. Do you understand? So every product that is your business, every service you render, please always ensure that you are first input it here, so that it can make things easy for you. Do you understand? Yes. So today's date, as when I'm recording this video, is 18th of October. Now there's product name or sets of the service you render. So clicking on this arrow here, this one facing down, it shows a list of all the products you sell or the service that you render. Do you understand? So in this particular one, let's say, for example, oh, I want to sell smoking jollof. How many smoky jollof? That is the size. So now it depends on the variety of size that you sell. Whatever size you have input here, look at this smoky jollof now. You've listed that, oh, you sell 1 liter. It is possible that as a business owner you sell 3 liter, and the price varies. So that is why it is important that you fill this particular column. Do you understand? So now smoky jollof for this particular business, 1 liter is what is sold, and it is a grain tray. So what you just need to input here is 1 liter. Can you see that automatically there was no price here? Do you understand? There was no price here. Unit price, that means your selling price. And how much is smoky jollof 1 liter here? It is 19,000. So automatically it states it here. But let's say for example, I go ahead to input 1 plate of smoky jollof, because there is nothing like 1 plate of smoky jollof in your inventory dashboard. Therefore, it does not input any price. It tells you that this is an error. So it is important to look into these things to ensure accuracy. So now I want to correct it. It is 1 liter of smoky jollof that this particular business sells. For you, the size primarily be the length of what the service you are rendering. Do you understand? Or if you're a makeup artist, bridal makeup, anything, do you understand? Just a way to differentiate. Do you understand? Yeah, I am making it as simple as possible. Yes, the next is what's it called? Category. So now this is a grain tray. Yes, this is a grain. It is a grain tray. Yes, smoky jollof is a grain tray. So let's say for example, this particular business owner sold two two unique pieces of 1 liter of smoky jollof. Now automatically a price will be imputed here. You really do not have to input anything because there are formulas there. But now let me input two. It automatically calculates for you 19,000 times 2, 38,000. So this tells you that in this pink bar, please do not input anything. Why? There are formulas there. I hope you can see that here. There are formulas there. You just need to input on the white bars and it automatically updates for you. But let's say you're a business owner and you give discount. This particular bar is for discount. And I've given a discount of 100 naira. Before, the total amount was 38,000 naira. Let me give a discount of 100 naira. It automatically deducts to 37,900. So you don't need to input anything in this pink bar. It automatically does that for you. And now, where did you sell this particular product? Let's say for example you sold it, or it was a walk-in client, or you sold it on Snapchat. Do you understand? So now your daily sales dashboard. Yes, your daily sales dashboard. In as much as you keep updating sales here, as you sell, you input it. In this daily sales dashboard, it gives you a summary. So now, again, in these pink bars, you really do not have to input anything. Do you understand? The only place you have to input is this white bar. Even this particular one, it's a KPI. That is, it just tells you how much did you make in the month of October. Do you understand? So let's say in the month of October you made, it's telling you that October 2025, this particular spreadsheet is for 3 years. For you, you might be getting the one of 1 year because the price varies, obviously. So October 2025, you want to know how much did I make. This tells you that, oh, you've been able to make a total sales of 441,200. If you change the months, January, whatever month you pick, do you understand? It inputs it for you. It tells you the price. But in my stock out sheet, okay, yes, I have a sale for November. So let's see November. This price is supposed to vary. So let's see the month of November. Can you see that it has changed to 17,900? I hope that you understand that. But now I want to go back to October because that is where more sales have been made, so you can understand better. So how exactly did you make 441,200 in the month of October? It tells you that, oh, on the 1st of October, you sold her sunrise. Can you see it here? You sold grilled turkey. You sold moi moi. Do you understand? You sold ofada sauce. And as a total, on the 1st of October, you made a total of 129,000. But you can see the product that you sold. But let's say for you as a business owner, let's say a perfume vendor, if you had input a perfume here, because you can edit it in what you'll be getting. If you are getting just sales tracking shit. If I input, let's say I want to input perfume. If I input perfume here, it automatically, let me input it now. So yes, I have just input a new product, perfume. So let's say in my stock house, someone just bought perfume. Again, I'm recording this on the 18th of October. Do you understand? But now for you, if you're making use of this on a cell phone, yes, you just need to input 18 slash October is the 10th month of the year slash 2025. It automatically inputs 18 October 2025. So you don't need to do that manually to ensure accuracy. I hope that you understand that. But now let's see perfume. it automatically gets updated here. So whatever product you have input here, it automatically comes here. And now, what the kind of perfume I had it could be any name of perfume. I just inputted perfume. I hope that you understand that. That is 100 ml of perfume. It automatically brings the price for you. So let's say, for example, I sold 5 bottles of this particular perfume. That is 4,005 times 5. It automatically calculates for me 22,500. But now this was on the 18th of October. There was no perfume before. But now I want to see what happens on the 18th of October. So you can see that now there is a sale for perfume. There's a sale for perfume on the 18th of October. So whatever thing you sell, in as much as you have input it, it automatically gets updated. Really do not have to do anything. Do you understand? The only thing you need to do is, oh, I want to look into the month of January, February, whatever month you want to look into, just check. And please note, if you are getting this spreadsheet that of 1 year, you'll be seeing just 2025 to 2026. Do you understand that? You don't need to be scared of whether you got the wrong one or the right one. It's just simply 1 year, 2025 to 2026. Now, this particular chart, it shows you your top 5 products sold. So you want to know, in the month of October, what did I sell the most? Let me see my best seller. So you are not confused. Do you understand? So it shows you that, oh, my customers really loved my suya jollof, and it shows that, oh, I made 91,800 from suya jollof, followed by grilled turkey, followed by goat meat, followed by zobo, followed by smoky jollof. It will vary for you depending on the kind of business that you run using this particular spreadsheet. In as much as you don't have a stock to control, you just buy and sell, or you just cook and sell, or you offer a service. Do you understand? So yeah, if you are let's say you're a nail tech, it just shows you, oh, the kind of nails that your clients do the most they did the most in the month of October. I hope that you understand that. So the next is top 5 sales channel. So you want to know, where am I being noticed the most as a business owner? Where am I being seen? Where are people buying from me the most? So for this particular business, it shows that, oh, people notice you more on Snapchat, followed by TikTok, followed by, on Snapchat you made a total of 109,000 plus. On TikTok you can see 101 working, followed by WhatsApp and Telegram. It just helps you make a very smart decisions as a business owner. You are not confused. You are not scrapping through pages of books to know what to do. I hope that you understand that. So now, monthly sales channel. So because I had not input sales for the months of January to September, that is why there is nothing showing for January to September. But I had input something for October and November, hence you can see the sales trend. So obviously I made more sales in the month of October. In fact, that was a total of 463,700. We want to be sure, is that true? Yes, it is the same thing you have here. Do you understand? So monthly sales trend just shows you how you are doing monthly as a business owner, so you can know how to do better, because obviously you are meant to be doing better. So you can see, oh, what product did not move last month? What product do I need to move more to my clients? What food are people buying from me more the most? It means, oh, if they are not buying it, I need to do a survey. I need to know, why are they not buying this particular thing for me, or why are people not doing this particular nails from me? Is it that I'm not so good at it? Do you understand? It just helps you look into your business more and you understand things better. So again, because this particular spreadsheet, you'll be getting it for 3 years. It works for 3 years. So you can see January till December, and you can choose whichever year you want to look into. Now, your expense tracker. As a business owner, you keep spending money every day, and at the end of the month, it seems like you really cannot figure out where your money is going to. So even if you are making money, you can't see it. You like, where is my money? Nobody is stealing from you. What's happening is you don't have a proper record. So now this just helps you keep a record. So now this is the date column, right? This is 18th of October. Again, remember, if you are using this on your cell phone, you just have to input 18/10/2025. I hope that you understand that. So yes, let's say I just bought brand nylon for my business. Brand nylon, what you use to package your goods. Do you understand? Then let's say it cost me 15,000 naira. It might not be up to that depending on the quality of branding you do. So now you want to know what category does this fall into. There are varieties of category here. You have staff salaries, rent, utilities, marketing, and all of those things. Do you understand? But now brand nylon falls under packaging and branding. So obviously it's for your business. So the money should come from your business account. Then now you can, just because you want to know where exactly did this money, where did I mean how did I pay it? Probably transfer card, whichever way. Please remember again, you really should not input anything in these pink bars because there are formulas there. I hope that you understand. So now expense summary, which is the next sheet, it just allows you see, oh, how am I spending money monthly? So it shows that, oh, in the month of October, you spent a total of 116,400, and the highest expense category was staff salaries. But you want to know, give me breakdown. How did I spend this money? Don't worry, evidence day. Staff salaries, you paid a total of 50,000. Snacks and food, 73. Repairs and maintenance, rent and utilities. On food stuff, as a food business owner, you keep buying food stuff. Yes, when you come here, when you input a particular anything you buy, there's some, yes, so you can input it as, because as a foodie business owner, it is expected that you are buying food. Do you understand? Yes. So that being said, you can just look into how you are spending money. This is a breakdown of how you are spending your money as a business owner. So yes, that is all that has to do with this particular sheet. Please remember, if you are just tracking sales as a business owner, which means that you really do not have stocks that you're looking into specifically, you offer services, you don't have any stock you're looking into, you sell food, you really do not have stock yourself because you're not keeping them. Do you understand? So for such businesses, this is the right one to get for your business. So yes, when you get this particular sheet, as I said earlier, that which you'll be getting just has 3 lists, 3 names, so that it is easily editable for you. So now for you to make use of it, just if you are using it, if you are making use of it on a laptop, click on file. This is where file is, and make a copy. That copy is what you make use of as a business owner. So you just need to edit and start making use of it. I hope that you understand that. You'll be getting a detailed explanation of that on your user guide. Yes, this first sheet here, do you understand? There's a written curriculum on how to make use of it. But let's say, for example, you are making use of this on a cell phone, because yes, it works very well on cell phones also. There is a 3 dots close to your Google Sheet on your cell phone. You just need to click on it. When you click on it, on something like this appears. Do you understand? Then you make a copy. It is as easy as that to make use of. Again, remember, you only have to input on the white pages. Whatever you input here is what you can input in your stockout page. These pink pages, they have formulas in them, meaning that you don't have to input anything. These ones that are shaded in pink, same as your daily sales dashboard. This one in pink, there are formulas there. Let me show it to you. Although when you try clicking, you won't be able to because it will be locked, but please don't force it. Do you understand? Yes. Then what else? Same thing as your monthly sales dashboard. You can click on these bars. Yes, the white columns. Yes, so that is it. Again, remember, I'm making emphasis so that you don't how do I say, you don't tamper with the formulas in your sheet. So yes, that is how to make use of it. So in case you need to make reference back, you can go back to the written guide on how to make use of your inventory dashboard sales tracking. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.